We have a solid contact bearing 040.
Confirmed. Ready for deployment.
Roger that. Preparing the ROV now.
Harness secure, thank you. All systems green.
Tension looks good on the main line. How's the secondary harness?
Secure. Jazz is ready for ascent.
The energy readings in the leg servos are critical.
We need to reroute the primary manifold port.
Agree.
Hand me the stabilizer, B.
Now the plasma cutter, quickly. We're losing power.
Aligning the starboard panel now.
Confirmed. Engaging the locks. Servo diagnostics complete? Confirmed. All parameters are optimal. We have green across the board.
The schematics are green. Initiate final integration sequence.
Your efforts here are critical, old friend. And Bumblebee, remember that even the smallest spark can ignite the greatest fire. We prevail together.
Power levels are stabilizing.
Ready the plasma conduits.
Check the lower strut tension again, just to be sure.
Reading confirmed. All systems show green.
Check the coupling on the lower quadrant.
Reading confirmed. Recalibrating servo tension now.
Full articulation achieved.
Readings are nominal across the board.
Auxiliary power levels stabilizing at 90%.
Acknowledged. Divert remaining energy to the main drive.
Scanning sequence complete.
Interface confirms full operational status. We are good to go.
Final diagnostics show full operational functionality. All systems confirmed ready.
All right, fantastic job, everyone.
We stand united. The Decepticons will fall. Prepare for battle.
As you can see, the enemy defenses are concentrated here. Our primary objective is the swift retrieval of the artifact.
The restoration is a success. Look at him go!